And now WCRC presents Storytime with Josh.
When I was about 16, me and a buddy, we went into a gas station and I bought me a Dr. Pepper and a lottery ticket like I normally do, and he was going to give him a pack of cigarettes, so I just went outside and waited for him on the car. And he comes out pretty soon, and I'm like, yeah, I'm cigarettes. I go, where's cigarettes? He's like, they carded me. Like, they friggin' carded me. I said, give me your money. Now, my buddy, he was 17. He was going to be 18 in a few months. And me, I had just turned 16. And he's like, they're not going to give them to you. I said, just give me your money. He's like, okay, but you're wasting your time. I walked back into the gas station and laid the money on, and walked up to the counter, and the lady says, I knew you'd be back. Reaches up, hands me cigarettes.
This has been Storytime with Josh on WCRC 95.7 All American Country.